In today's video, I will teach you how to write product descriptions using Canva Magic Write. Let's get started. Writing clear, compelling product descriptions doesn't have to be overwhelming. Canva Magic Write makes it easy to generate polished descriptions quickly, even if you're starting from scratch. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step so you can confidently create product descriptions that sound professional and on-brand. Start by logging into your Canva account, and from the homepage, click on Canva AI to access Canva's Magic AI tools. Inside Canva AI, you'll see a text box where you can type requests for the AI. To write product descriptions, click the dock icon to set the AI to Magic Write mode, which is designed for long and short-form writing. Now click Type, and you'll see a list of content categories such as blog posts, articles, stories, and emails. For the tutorial, select Description. This tells the AI to focus on descriptive, product-focused writing. Now in the text box, explain what kind of product description you want, and make sure to specify that it's for a product description, include details about the product features or benefits, mention the tone, and describe the vibe and length that you want. You can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. An optional step is adding your brand kit. Adding your brand kit helps Magic Write match your brand's voice and style. This is especially helpful if you're creating descriptions for an online store, catalog, or website and want everything to sound consistent. It keeps your messaging aligned with your brand personality, saving you time on edits later. And once your prompt is ready, press enter and give the AI a moment to generate your product description. Now click on the response to view your product description in a clean document-style layout. This makes it easy to read, edit, and refine before using it. And if you're happy with the result, you can copy and paste it to your website or online store. You can also use it for product listings on marketplaces and add it to marketing materials like emails or social media posts. And if it's not quite right, you can ask the AI to rewrite it, adjust the tone, shorten it, or provide multiple variations. Just type in your new instruction into the prompt box and wait for the updated response. Canva Magic Write is a great tool for creating product descriptions quickly while still keeping them clear, engaging, and on-brand. With detailed prompts and a bit of tweaking, you can create descriptions that highlight your product's value and connect with your audience. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.